the biggest developments you need to know. Hello, AI and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to this week's AI Bot Hub, AI and Robotics Roundup. From AI making research easier to humanoid robots learning new skills, the past week has been packed with exciting developments. Let's dive into the biggest highlights. Nvidia and Carnegie Mellon researchers unveiled ASAP, an AI framework that teaches humanoid robots complex movements using simulations. In tests, the Unitree G1 robot learned to perform the APT dance and even mimic LeBron James and Cristiano Ronaldo's moves, a game changer for robotic motion learning. OpenAI's deep research makes web analysis smarter. OpenAI added deep research inside ChatGPT, allowing users to conduct detailed web research and generate full research reports in under 30 minutes. Uses an advanced O3 model to analyze text, images, and PDFs across sources, exclusive to pro users for now. Google's Gemini 2.0 models take AI to the next level. Google introduced Gemini 2.0 Pro Experimental and Flashlight, boosting AI speed and efficiency. Pro Experimental features a 2M token context, great for coding and complex problem solving. Flashlight, 10 times better than Gemini 1.5 Flash, but at the same cost. Mistral launches Le Chat to compete with ChatGPT. Amid the rise of DeepSeek, French AI lab Mistral launched its Le Chat assistant on iOS and Android. Features web search, document processing, coding, and image generation, and claims to be 10 times faster than ChatGPT and Claude. Borg's modular humanoid can walk and roll. Detroit-based Borg AI introduced a new humanoid robot that can switch between walking and wheeled movement. Works with an AI-powered pallet jack for warehouse automation. Launching in Q2 alongside more AI-driven robots. Physical Intelligence releases Pi Zero, the robot trainer. Physical Intelligence launched Pi Zero, a foundational model for robotics on Hugging Face. Trains robots to fold laundry, clean tables, and even scoop coffee beans, bringing us closer to AI-powered home assistants. Stanford's Toddler Bot, teaching robots to learn like kids. Stanford debuted ToddlerBot, an open-source humanoid platform for AI research. Two toddler bots were seen picking up toys together, a big leap toward real-world humanoid AI training. That's a wrap for this week's AI and Robotics Roundup. Stay tuned for more exciting updates next week, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these developments excites you the most? Let us know. Until next time, subscribe for more AI and robotics news.